This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michael Rolinski. Don't miss this one. Beautiful 4-bedroom/2-bathroom 1-story home in the desired Brookside Estates Subdivision in Ruskin, Florida with many upgrades. Home was built in late 2020, so everything is like new. Open floor plan concept with kitchen/dining room/living room combo. Kitchen has large center island and quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. All kitchen cabinets with added cabinet pull handles and kitchen sink upgraded with matte black faucet. Beautiful Bricklane backsplash throughout the kitchen. Luxury vinyl flooring throughout all main living areas and hallways and added to the owner's suite and bedroom 3. New tile flooring added to bathroom 2 as well. All doorknobs in the home and hardware and showers and bathtubs upgraded to matte black also. Shiplap wall accents added to living/gathering room and bathroom 2 and the foyer/hallway. Off the hallway you will have a separate laundry room. Off the dining room you will have sliding doors to your covered back patio to enjoy your morning coffee or evening beverage. First floor owner's suite with separate owner's bath and shower and walk-in closet. As I mentioned, carpet flooring and owner's suite replaced with luxury vinyl flooring. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 4 have carpet flooring. As you exit to the back of the house to enjoy your large backyard, partially fenced and easy to complete remaining side, no worries about a little rain running off the roof to splash your back patio area as new gutters were added to the whole house in February 2022. Close to I-75 for easy commute to Tampa and the local beaches and to restaurants and the mall for shopping. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details.